In this demo, we will show how DAE can be used to filter employee data for non-HR users. We will demonstrate this in the SAP GUI. In this demo, access to sensitive employee data will be restricted to any users who are not in the HR department. However, HR department users will be able to see all employee data. We have defined 3 users: Demo User 1, Demo User 2, and Demo User 3. Demo User 1 and Demo User 2 are non-HR users, so they will only be able to view their own employee records. Demo User 3 is an HR admin and will be able to see all employee records. Now we'll take a look at this in the SAP GUI. First, I will log in as Demo User 1. And we'll use the ListCube app. We will select the fields that we are going to display, including the date of birth and some other additional sensitive information such as payroll information, positions, and then we will execute the query. And here we can see that only Demo Users 1's information has been returned. All others have been filtered out. Now we will go to and view the same with Demo User 2. Again, we will use the ListCube. And we will again select several different fields. And when we execute, we can see that we get a different record returned because this is Demo User 2's record, and they are only able to see their own record. Now we will log in as Demo User 3. Again, we will view the data through the ListCube. And here, because Demo User 3 is an HR administrator, we can see the records for all employees. This concludes our demonstration of how DAE for BW can be used to filter employee data in SAP BW.